Hey folks, Sarah Wilson here. Today I wanted to talk to you about maintaining your exterior doors and windows. Fun, right? It's important. And it is so easily overlooked. Because let's be honest, does it occur to you to check to see if anything is looking a little weathered or cracked? It certainly did not with me. And I live with a home inspector. Yeah. And I'm not even a new homeowner. Cut to the chase. We decided to do a little sprucing up earlier this summer, and I found that our side door, that is completely exposed to the elements, looked terrible. Fortunately, because Andrew's here, he knew exactly what to look for, and he actually discovered we had some damage in our laundry room and in the basement, all because of a little cracked caulking. And after a lot of scraping and scrubbing and painting, we fixed it. But it could have been avoided, friends.